Mapagpalang linggo po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Father Arlo Yap SVD. Ngayon po mga kapatid is 19th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Last Sunday po, kung maalala po ninyo, si Jesus, pinakita niya sarili niya as the bread of life. Yung mga tao lumapit sa kanya kasi ang kailangan lang nila daw ay yung pagkain ng tiyan, yung tinapay lang. Pero si Jesus, last Sunday, sinasabi niya, ako mismo ang dapat kailanganin ninyo because God provides. I will give everything na kailangan mo. Today, Jesus continues His being bread of life. Example, akala na marami, ito lang yung kailangan natin. Pandesal? Tinapay? Kung tutusin, masarap, di ba? Panalo. But Jesus, at this point, hindi yun ang kailangan natin, sinasabi niya. I am the bread of life. Kung pupuntahan natin ang ating unang pagbasa, itong si Elisha, nagkakaroon siya ng tampo, depression, at meron siyang bitterness sa buhay niya. Sabi nga ni Elijah, take my life, for I'm no better than my fathers. Take my life. So itong si Elijah, may depression. Parang feeling niya, kawawa siya. Kaya sabi niya, take my life, Lord, ayoko na. Walang pinagkaiba sa mga tao may depression. May mga bitterness. Parang sa kanila, end of the world nila. But here comes Jesus saying, I am the bread of life. Number one, huwag kang mag-alala. Because as a bread of life, the Lord blesses you. Pag sinabing binabasbasan ka ng Diyos, pagpapalain ka niya sa mga pangangailangan mo. He blesses you sa lahat ng mga pangangailangan mo. Pangalawa, the Lord restores you. Kamukha nung nangyari kay Elijah. With all such depression sa buhay niya, ibabalik ni Lord ang kaligayahan mo. Basta maniwala ka lang kay Lord. Ibabalik niya, He will restore you to yourself na masaya, na mapagpala. He will restore you sa mga bagay na mula sa mga pagkakasakit natin, paggagalingin ka niya. He will restore you. Pangatlo, as the bread of life, Jesus empowers you. Pinalalakas ka niya. He empowers you to share your blessings to others. Hindi lang dapat ikaw makikinabang ng bread of life. Ibigay mo rin sa iba. He empowers you. At susunod, He will also affirm you. He affirms lahat. Alam niyo mga affirmation niya? Pag may mga taong tuwang-tuwa, may mga taong blessed na blessed, parang sinasabi ni Lord Jesus sa'yo, tama ginagawa mo. Kailangan gawin mo ulit yan. Because maraming taong makikinabang sa'yo. At lahat ng ito, the Lord will also deliver you. That deliverance will tell you, the Lord will deliver you from any harm and danger. Lahat ng evil, the Lord will protect you. Because this is the one Jesus promises us. I am the bread of life. The Lord blesses you. The Lord restores you. The Lord empowers you. The Lord affirms you. And the Lord delivers you. You call that bread of life. Kaya nga, kung meron kayong depression, kamukha nangyari kay Elijah, the Lord will take care of you. Kaya nga tamang-tama, itong ating second reading, sinasabi niya, all bitterness, fury, pagkapuot, anger, galit, shouting, reviling, pagmumura, must be removed from you along with all malice. Tanggalin mo lahat yan. Because the Lord is the bread of life. Blesses you, restores you, empowers you, affirms you, and delivers you. Because Jesus is the bread of life.